Downloading and installing Safe Exam Browser. As a student at the VTDI, you'll need to use Safe Exam Browser, otherwise known as SEB, when completing online quizzes or tests. SEB is a web browser used by higher education institutions worldwide to create a secure environment for online tests. Students must download and install SEB on the device that will be used to complete the online test. The browser will lock your screen during the test, preventing you from switching to other applications until you've completed the test. In this video you'll learn how to download and install Safe Exam Browser to your device from the Safe Exam Browser Student Orientation course. Unfortunately, SEB is not compatible with cell phones and tablets, so you'll need to use a computer to take your test. Let's get started. You'll begin the download and installation process by logging into iSIMS and then navigating to the Moodle site. Once in Moodle, select the Safe Exam Browser Student Orientation course from your dashboard or from the My Courses tab if you're not seeing it on your dashboard. You'll see two modules. Module 1 gives some background information about SEB. You'll use Module 2 to perform the download and installation. Next, select Module 2 taking a quiz using SEB. Then, select SEB download link and config file. You'll have the option to download SEB using Windows or Mac OS. Because I'm using a Windows machine, I'll select the Windows option, but the process is similar when downloading to a Mac operating system. You'll be brought to this page where you get the option to download the application. Click Download. Download may take a few minutes. For most browsers, you'll see a download indicator appear in the top right corner of the browser window. Alternatively, unless you've changed where your downloads go, by default you'll also find the downloaded file in your Downloads folder. When download is complete, open it to install it on your device. A window will pop up providing licensing information. Read the agreement, and if you're in agreement with the conditions, then check I agree to the license terms and conditions. Then click Install. When completed, a window will pop up informing you that installation was successfully completed. Now you have SEB installed, but you'll need to install the configuration file before you can use SEB. Return to Module 2 taking a quiz using SEB located in the Safe Exam Browser Student Orientation course and select SEB download link and config file. Now you will download the SEB config file. You will see two options, one for Mac and one for Windows. Select the version that is appropriate for your device. The download will begin. When download is complete, open the file. When configuration is done, you will see a pop-up that says Configuration Successful and asking if you want to quit SEB for now. If you are not ready to start using SEB, click Yes. If you are ready to move on to the quiz, click No and you will be taken back to iSIMS where you can proceed to return to Moodle and then the test that you wish to take. When you're ready to exit SEB, click on the Quit button at the bottom right corner of the browser. Thanks for watching.